Ooh. Hello, my friends. This is T. McNeil with McNeil Luxury Travel, and I am very excited to share with you a walkthrough of a very special suite. It is a signature suite at the Hotel Lungarno that is named after Cocteau, who is a local, or was a local artist. So let's have a look. So the first thing you'll notice is we have a split level design. We have the living area, which is perfect if you have a family and you want to have a space for your children to stay that is separate from yours. So here you have the living area, a little seating area, and a little desk area, secrétaire. Here we are. And this pulls out into a bed. So if you have two kids, perfect. And then I like the fact that they have their own separate bathroom here. So no sharing with mom and dad. We have single sink, toilet and bidet, and then a very intimate shower with a handheld and a rainfall. So just enough for kids so that they don't take up too much space from mom and dad's bathroom. And then here's your little tea and coffee area all set up for the morning. All right, let's have a look upstairs. You will notice the nautical theme throughout, which is unique to the Hotel Lungarno, all the blue and white, with the little splashes of light blue that look like the sky. So this is the master. Quite nice. So notice immediately you have two balconies. The one downstairs is a Juliet balcony, and this one is a balcony that you can actually walk on. So see? So you've got just a set of stairs here to walk down, and it's just big enough to have a coffee in the morning. And we've got the River Arno and then the Ponte Vecchio right here. Imagine that. So this is a really nice room for a family. This whole setup is great if you have kids and you want them to have a separate space. You can provide that. So let's look at the bathroom for mom and dad. Now here we have still a single sink, toilet and bidet. And here, instead of a shower stall, we have a combination bathtub and shower. So if you need that soak, mom, this is where you can have a little Calgon moment. Now, this really blew me away. Check this out. Double walk-in closets for mom and dad, or mom and mom, and dad and dad. So I like this. A lot of space here to accommodate everybody. You don't have to be on top of one another. Everybody has their space. So once again, I'm at the Hotel Lungarno, part of the Lungarno collection. And this is a signature suite that is dedicated to the local artist, Cocteau. There you go.